you're in the hospital. Oh, the hospital. I should have known. Besides, we did get hurt. Hey, you have a lot of extra bandages. We do. They're very big. Super big. Okay, I have an idea. We can get our truck wrapped around in these. Come on! I found him. I found him. I found him. Oh, hello. Let's wrap. Oh, no. No, it's going to take you to jail. Oh, no. The camera. It's this low. To be continued. To the happy ending. Bye.